What's up, everyone? Today we got an unboxing of the Lost Vape Ursa Nano S, a new pod system for their Quest series. This pod system comes in 10 different colors, all sporting a soft matte finish. The matte finish has a phenomenal feel in your hands and adds a little extra grip, so you won't see this thing falling out of your hands or off your desk. The 800 mAh battery is rechargeable via a Type-C cable, and it can reach a total max wattage output of 16 watts. Included in this kit is the Ursa cartridge 2.0. The Ursa cartridge's integrated coil lasts about 50% longer and has 50% stronger flavor according to their website. And of course, you'll be getting that nifty user manual, warranty card, and Type-C charging cable.